Better start bringing her passenger if you want to hit that V-notch. That's good. Now hard passenger. Looks great. Looks great. Keep that line. Looking real good. Keep coming. Kind of maybe start bringing it driver. Not yet. About now I'd start bringing her over. You're going to come down passenger first. Just fine, keep going. Hold up. Okay, you're going to climb up over it with your rear, so sweet. Sweet action. He came to play.
I'm ready to go camping.
No, you're on the low cars. You're in the right place.
What was that you said about putting on the trailer with no brakes?
We had no brakes when you came down here. They might I didn't actually feel it, so you can turn it now whenever you're ready. Coming down on the left right now. Coming up. Right where it needs to stay. There you go. You're gonna get crop. Left front is gonna get. Yep. See what happens next. Straighten out here, get the left rear, get the climb. Better in a second. Oh, yeah, I got you. Straighten up a little bit. Alright, that turned out. Bad.
Oh, yeah. Jet escape.
Yeah.
Probably straight up, go straight that way.
You can straighten out.
So where I'm pointed?
Where you're pointing is good.
Counter's working six.
Nice and easy straight out. If it'll take. Yeah. Well, so you
Work a
actually
little
straight
slider, it
action
looks
that
like
rock over into the
the
face.
face comes to like
So keep doing it.
with that.
Pause. Sure.
Straight out.
Sure.
Only half power. Want me to feed? She's just here.
That rock.
Very, very steep downhill. You can't even tell it, but we're like really steep going downhill, and it's about to drop more. So a little more point of view stuff here. Keep in mind, in all the wheeling videos you see on my channel of my truck, it is in basically stock form, and I've had to winch a little and get helped, and I've of course had to just be denied by a few trails. But and you can go out and wheel hardcore in a rig that you don't have to have $1 million in. I probably don't have 3,500 bucks in this whole truck, counting tires and suspension and everything. So I'm pretty pleased with the way it's all turned out. I'm gonna try to back up here and get a little better view of this so you can see what's happening maybe. Yeah, that is quite the descent there, and big old rocks. Oops. Now I come out here and throw my truck in, and I'm ready for what I get. If I get something, you know, you got to be willing to suffer the consequences, but I haven't broke a thing. I've been wheeling now. We've been 5 days wheeling, and awesome. So I'm going to try to point of view this as I go down. Of course, we'll not be taking the gnarly route like he did, not quite, but we'll see what happens here for me. I hope you enjoy these point of view videos. I have mixed feelings about watching them, but I'll be glad to make some for you to try to help you understand. Whoa, how tough this trail is. That was quite a drop. Sorry, slipped there. Thought I was on it. There's another one. These are some big drops, but that's just my sliders and bumpers that hit. That's why you carry armor on a vehicle like this. Homemade bumpers. Of course, you can't hardly make sliders for as cheap as you can buy them. Mine are all pro off-road. Just so you're not bored to tears watching me come down this freaking descent here. I don't have inclinometer on here to tell the angle, but it's freaking steep. Very steep. Okay, keep on coming here around this corner. Do a little off-camber thing. Slidey, slidey. There's my skid plate doing its job. Oops. Alright, another off camera now to the other way. And see, it looks like I'm driving down the street to me looking through this video. But yeah, this is like crazy steep, crazy steep. Alright, down to the bottom now. That was fun. This one looks like a motherfucker here. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this one or not. We'll have to see. First, how I would even get onto it. I think I see a spot. I think I see a line. Let's see how he does here. Won't look that bad.